So we're currently, so we're currently on the road to Hana, which is like a wiggly road all the way up to, is it a place called Hana?
There's a town called Hana, but apparently it's about the journey, man, not the destination.
Yeah, apparently it's about the journey, not the destination. Anyway, the journey is up like little tiny winding roads. We've already had a truck come at us on a road
like
that's just big enough for
mixer.
us, and then a car literally nearly just hit us. Oh God, I don't think I like it anymore. I'm going to show you the road. This bit's okay because it's double, but then sometimes it just goes to this bit and it's just space for one car, and then we have a truck coming at us. Or what was that car that just hit us? Nearly hit us.
Idiot little sports car.
Bombing it down the road. Anyway, it's supposed to be pretty all the way up, so we decided to give it a go. Hopefully we'll see a red sand beach. What else do you want to see?
I don't know.
Waterfalls?
We'll have to wait and see what we can see.
Does it feel like evening? It's gone a bit dark.
Yeah. Did you see that car before? They had a GoPro strapped to the bonnet.
What is that? What is this car? I'm going to film it
Car
on this window.
It has had its wheels stolen.
That has had its wheels taken off it. Alright, okay, it's gone to one road now. Then it goes to two again. So like on the bits where you need it to be two cars, it's one.
Yeah.
And so nobody can get past.
On bits like the corners, it's one. Like, but the bits where it's like a straight open road, there's two. It just doesn't make sense.
Idiot.
Who the hell planned this road?
So we just got out of the car, and clearly because we're going uphill, it's getting wetter. Like the ground is wet. It's humid. There's a lot of trees.
I imagine there's a lot of bugs.
I feel like it's a bit like Jurassic Park here. And everything's wet. Did it rain?
It didn't rain, it just is wet.
There's a lot of cars driving past. But people are in these like big trucks. And so when they drive towards us in our tiny little Beetle, we're a bit screwed. We have to pull off and then we nearly hit walls. And I really hope not because we don't have any cover. So, are you checking the car? She's checking the car to check if it's dirt or scratches.
Fucking. Can you get it? Fucking cow.
Okay. That's a great video.
Ow. Careful.
Let me Tiffany ring. What the hell is this? She's standing on them. Oh my god, we've just pulled up and there's ginger kittens. Oh my god. It's like pumpkins everywhere.
Snapchat L.
Oh my god, yeah, let's Snapchat L. Oh my god. They're like our cats but grown up. I'm gonna get out and show you them.
Oh my god, that one is so cute.
Oh, there's another one. Oh my god, there's loads. There's like two up there.
Yeah, they're everywhere. There's one there under that bench.
Look at him under there. Oh my god, look. Look at him. He's a jungle cat. Hello. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's okay. It's okay. Hello. Look at you. Meow. Meow. It's okay.
What?
How many stops is this? Two? Stop number two?
Stop number two. Key stop number two.
on.
I think he's gonna do it. Oh god. Ah! Oh. He's alive.
I genuinely didn't think it was
I think
deep
he
enough.
pissed his pants, but he's alive.
I didn't think it was deep enough.